Okay, it's lightning, and I'm at Laura's house now. So 50,000 are out of power in Miami-Dade, and they're up to 27,000 here in Broward. And we aren't even near the center of that thing yet. Not until tomorrow night is it supposed to be the worst. So it's constant rain, constant tornadoes, constant bands, lightning like crazy. I am Tanner. Oh, we're a little lull here. Still lightning. Okay, I'm out in the backyard standing in the rain. So I'm not going to stand out here too long. It's very windy now. It's constant. And lightning like crazy. And we still have power. And as you can see, we're getting a lot of lightning flashes. Okay. All right. Just giving you an update. As you can see, this is what we're seeing. Lightning flashes, lots of wind and rain. It's been doing this for the last 3-4 hours. Constant. And it's supposed to last for 2 more days. And we're not even near the middle of the hurricane yet at all. It's still stuck down there by Cuba, so this is what we're getting. And it's 200 miles away from us. So I can't imagine what it's going to be like when it gets closer. Because it's stalled out. Wow, that was pretty cool. Thanks, Diana. I'm coming out every so often to film. I'm getting soaked right now because it's pouring. I've got no cover. But how wet can you get? All right, you get the idea. I'm tired of getting wet. Wow, that's a cool one. Lots of lightning, lots of wind, lots of rain. I'm on the intercoastal here. I'm at Laura's. Everything is good. about ready to go in because I'm tired of getting wet. Okay, guys, we're safe. Hi, Pat. Hi, Tim. I'll tell Laura you're on. Yeah, I'm with Diana. I'm with my mom and my sister. My mom's in bed sleeping, and Laura's in the house, and she thinks I'm nuts for going out here in the rain. So, whew, that was cool. Definitely a light show. Okay. Wow. Thanks, Pat. I'll keep doing the updates as long as I can. I mean, we're not even near the eye yet, so this is just what we're getting now. And this is supposed to last for 48 more hours at least. I can't imagine it. Yeah, isn't it, Judy? The lightning is really cool. My phone was going off like every 2 minutes from with tornado warnings, so I finally shut off all the alerts. We're getting tornadoes, I guess, all over the place. All right, no lightning right here, and I'm soaking wet, guys. Oh, there's some more. Thanks, Pat. Okay, this is my update for right now. I gotta dry my phone off. Thanks for thinking of us. We're okay right now, but the hurricane is nowhere near us yet. So right now, so far, so good.